Are they down there?
We'll sweep down that ridge, form up on the main road. Take care. Halt. Make ready. Present. Fire. Prime and load. Make ready. Present. Fire. Prime and load. To the front. March. Company. Halt. Make ready. Present. Fire. Woo! Volcanic touching! Make ready! Reset! Ah! Fire and load. Fire and load.
Give him a hell, lads. God save the 54th. Damn their eyes, man. Damn their eyes.
Make ready! Reset! Ah!
Take care. Halt. Kneel.
Oh, I got.
Ah! Ah! Spring up. Make ready. Present. Fire.
Fire and load.
They surrendered.
They surrendered?
All right, never mind. Belay that order. Do not prime and
But
load.
advance upon them and arrest them. Advance. Take your party up there, Sergeant, and arrest them.
At the port.
Someone please help my dear, dear friend. The shock of all this battle worn his spirits and resolve to barely nothing. Is there not someone here who's ready to train?
Oh, God.
That was a near-death experience, sir, I would imagine. I'll make sure to write home to your mother for you.
Yeah. A miracle.
Anyways, do you surrender your men peacefully?
I do, sir.
And you feel as though you must tend to your wound?
I do, sir.
But
We
this
have
one,
several.
This man here has been brought to my attention, Sergeant. This one. This man. I have gotten a report that a man, under his description of his face, mostly his nose, was told me be wearing a red coat. And I believe this man is an actual deserter from His Majesty's Marines. People in the taverns around here have very big mouths, sir. And he only told me once that there was a man that was a deserter.
I'm an Irishman by birth, but I came here of my own accord to this country.
I'm sure you did, sir. But I was told there was a man, quote, there was a deserter in your ranks that I need to take back with me. And one of the distinguishing points about that discussion was he had a large nose.
And I'm the only man from Ireland with a large nose.
And does he have not a large nose?
No larger than any other.
Now, if they said a large belly, I would know what to be looking
I would
at.
never serve your king.
I beg to differ. Sergeant, we will escort this vagabond mess back to our point of origin. And I wish to interview this man personally, because I was also told he had marks upon his body from various lashes he's received while he was in the Marines.
All right.
So you'll go peaceably, sir?
I'll go peaceably, but I'm no deserter from your stupid army.
Stupid, are we? You seem to be the one caught getting tied up.
I get caught up by you.
We'll get you out. We'll get you out, so don't worry. I'm going to tend to my men.
I deserted no army, sir. Least of all King George's. I'd not take a farthing from
Do
that.
you know what the penalty is
Bastard.
for desertion?
Yes, it's death.
It is.
Right.
And I have several witnesses back at my cabin over here that will identify you as the deserter, hence 3 months ago.
Nobody's going to identify me for that.
You've been running around these parts talking ill of His Majesty.
I'll talk ill of His Majesty, that I will, but I deserted no army.
Stolen King's property. I was also told that you're
Property?
trading in your fine uniform for these miserable, misfitted rags.
I've never put a laid a
And where did
finger
those
on the
breeches
King's
come from,
property.
sir? Did you steal them off someone's cow?
Now he's having fun with me breeches.
Sir, you are atrocious. I can't even believe you went
You're
outside
a
just...
pompous British bastard is what you are.
I see. Sergeant,
Sir?
take this mess back to the cabin.
Very well. Got this, man. Let's go.
Come on then.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Somewhere over that way.
Point of origin.
Wherever they tell us to go.
I've done no crying.
Gather the rest of these troops over here.
Other than being Irish.
Escort them back. Ensure they caught their weapons. Any false moves by any one of them, do not hesitate to run them through.
Files, right here, right here.
We don't leave our drummers out in the cold with no shoes. And look at that man right there, the small one. Do you realize he's 27? He's not been fed right. And you know who's been eating all of his rations?
You.
This pompous balloon of a man over here. And I wouldn't
If
be
that's not the
surprised-
I'll call it a kettle black.
Sir, and I also will contend and impress upon you, sir, you could fit a cannon barrel up that nose of yours.
Oh, you say what you will, you bastard.
Let's go this way.
Forward, march.
Front, march.